Hello friends, welcome to freebscnsc.com. Today I am going to show you a new trading strategy which use a two indicator. One is a Heikin Ashi and second is a EMA. With the help of this two indicator, you can find out the actual trend, actual entry point and exit point also. So let's start with this trading strategy. Let's take a look at the rules for the entry. So first rule is find out a two new consecutive green Heikin Ashi candle for a long entry and two new consecutive red Heikin Ashi candle for a short entry. So let's take a look at this USD Euro chart daily. It is a normal candlestick in upward, and here I am just showing you a Heikin Ashi chart for extra. So here you found a new green candle first and second. So here is this entry point. Here again we found a new red, two consecutive red candle. So this is the entry point for a short. Here we found a two green candle. So it is an entry point for a long. Now then again a two candle for two red candles. So this is an entry point for short. This two green candle, it is an entry point for a long. Okay, so now check out the another second rules. Second rules, we set EMA14 and must cross the first normal candlestick. So here is a I'm just setting a EMA14 on close, which is colored with the blue color. So this blue line is showing you a EMA14 values. Okay, so here we found a two consecutive green candle. Now let's have a look here. So EMA14 is crossing between this candle. So this rule is satisfied at here. Again, here it is a red candle we found, and in this red candle the EMA14 is also crossing. So this rule is satisfied at here also. Here we found a two green candle, but here the EMA14 is not crossing this first candle. So this rules is going to be a false here. Here you found a two green signal, but EMA is not crossing at here. So this is the rules number 2 which is should follow, and we found here a successful on second rules, and here also found a successful of a second rules for a short. Here is a successful for a long. Now take a look at the third rules. In third rules, a second candle must cross a previous candle high for a long entry, or second candle must cross a previous candle low for a short entry. Okay, so let's take a look. We found the first two rules satisfied at here for a long and here for a short. So this is the first candle and its high is a 0.9065. So the second candle must cross the high for a long entry, but it is not cross that value. So this is a false signal. So we are not going for a long entry at here. Now take a look at the short entry. This here the first candle which have a low of 0.9034, and the second candle is crossed this value successfully. So all three rules are satisfied at here. Here only two rules is satisfied, so this is a false signal and this is correct signal till now. But now I'm also going to add one additional rules here. Let's take a look of this additional rules. For additional confirmation, it gives you a great confirm. It will filter a many false signal for you. For additional confirmation, the price close above the EMA8 high for a long. For a long entry, we are going to draw a green. Here I just show the EMA8 on high and EMA8 on low. This green line showing you the EMA8 on high, and this red line showing you the EMA8 on low. So price must close below the EMA8 of low. Okay, so let's take a look. This is already a false signal, but for understanding I'm just showing you. Here it is a close on 9028 and high value is 9049. So high value is greater than close value, so the fourth rule is also not satisfied here. Actually this is a false entry as we show in a third rules. Now take a look for a short rules. Here the close value is 9025 and a low value is 9037. So 9025 is lower than 9037. So the fourth rule is also satisfied. So all the four rules are satisfied here. So this is a successful entry point for a short entry. So now we are going to insert our entry at here on a next day with a close value of 9025 to 898. Between this you can sell USD euro. Now what is the stop loss? Let's have a look here. For an initial stop loss you can set the longest, for a long you can set the lowest low of a 2 green Heikin Ashi candle, but it is our short entry in our example. So check, let's look the highest high of a 2 red Heikin Ashi. So this is the 2 consecutive and the high value is here and it is a 9118. So our stop loss is 0.9118 and entry point is 9025. So almost 100 pips of a stop loss we set. You can set the 100 pips for a stop loss. So initial target you can set 1-to-1 reward ratio. So you can set 100 pips of a target point. So let's have a look. That is a 0.9025. So our target is 0.8925, which will be reached on a third day with easily we reach this target on a third day. Then forward you can also carry forward your positions with the you can set your stop loss to break even, or you can set your stop loss to Fibonacci points. Also you can set your stop loss to next pivot points. You can set with the support or resistance point. But if you exit this position here, then it's also possible. Or you can set your stop loss to trailing stop loss with this high value day after day. That also gives you a good results. If you follow, this is a very small trend, so it's not going to be a profitable more, but if you follow this rules also, then if you found a long relay trend, then you can get a very good profit. So thank you very much for this video.